Welcome to Blue Star High Secondary School students. Welcome back. Today we are going to see our topic is government role in secularism. Yes. Today we are going to see about government role in secularism. In France, the government passed a law banning students from wearing any religious signs or symbols. Example, cross, egg card, etc. It means not to harm anyone. They enforce this to promote equality. Okay, to promote equality. Yes, the Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal. That we already know about that. Our Constitution recognizes every person as equal. Okay, which means every individual in the country, including male and female, from all caste and religions, backgrounds, are recognized as equal. அதுதான் நம்ம ஃபண்டமெண்டல் ரைட்டில் பார்த்துருக்கோம் இல்லைங்களா? In democratic India, the principle of the equality of all the persons is recognized, while earlier no law existed to protect the people from the discrimination and ill treatment. But in two ways the government has tried to implement the equality, that is guaranteed the constitution. The other one is through the government programs or schemes. These two programs are tell about the equality of the religion and also to disadvantages communities and minorities. Okay. In last class, we saw about the religious festivals celebrated in schools. Some schools is not to follow that, but they want to give respect to all the religion. They do not want to everyone to separate a religion. But at the same time, we should give respect to every religion. That is most important. For example, there is a conversation given in your textbook with pictures. What the two men are talking with each other means one person is a Sikh youth, another one is belong to another religion. It shows the religious, it means the conversation shows the religious policy of our government. A Sikh youth does not have to wear a helmet because Indian state recognize that wearing a turban is one of the religious practice of Sikhs. So the government gave a respect to the religion, but they put laws that everyone should wear a helmet. Our government is going to respect to the religion and to allows the exemption in the law. It shows the government policy of a religious policy of a government. Okay, now again I am going to show the two ways the government has tried to implement the equality that is guaranteed in the constitution. The other one is through the government programs or schemes to help the disadvantages communities and minorities. Following this class, I am going to show a picture about the constitution.